Welcome back to the DIY Backyard Makeover series. Day 3 had a lot going on. The Trex deck boards arrived, which means we're nearing the end of this deck build. We also had crushed limestone and a machine get delivered, which you'll see why later on in this video. This all took place over a couple days, but for the sake of this video, we're going to pretend it was only one. First thing we did was lay the joist tape before installing any decking. Not sure if this stuff actually works, but we used it anyways. We then got started on the picture frame border. After measuring to make sure everything was square, we pre-drilled then face screwed to set it in place. You're going to need a square, a drill, tape and pencil, as well as these Trex fasteners, which actually come with the required drill bit to install. And to install the first row after the border, we use these starter clips as opposed to face screwing. Once the first board was set, we screwed in the fastener clips but left them loose. This is required so that when you put the next board in, it slips in with ease. We then tightened it once the next board was in, and that's all it was. We got into a nice rhythm and flew through the rest. Apparently, you have to take a blade off each board because they come with an unsquare factory edge. This one actually wasn't bad, funny enough, but don't ask me why they do that. After getting set up, everything goes pretty smoothly and we were able to get almost the entire deck done, but had to finish off the next day as it got too dark.
The next day.
Like I mentioned, we did the deck and patio somewhat simultaneously. And to make this job easier, we rented this machine. This whole area is going to be interlocked, so we needed to clear some of the dirt away and level off the surface with crushed limestone. Since the other half of the backyard was all fucked and had low spots, we simply just took the dirt we were removing and dumped it there. We're also going to be adding interlock or some patio stones along the side of the house, so we needed to remove a small amount of dirt here too. The crushed limestone arrived, so we got to work hauling it to the back. Before adding it though, we placed a weed barrier down and placed a bunch of old patio stones on top, which we were burying with the limestone. This machine was the perfect size, as it was just wide enough to fit through the gate and between the fence and deck. It was tight, I can tell you that much.
Bruh. Let me drive the bus. You can ride the bus then.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.